Even in the most beautiful cities in the world, on wonderful beaches and in towns, refuse is produced which, for reasons of economy or ecology, cannot be recycled. This kind of waste must be disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner. The ever-increasing mountains of garbage pose a problem to all responsible communities, districts or countries throughout the world. Protection of the environment, but also reasonable rates for consumers are of critical importance. The currently applied method of tipping without pre-treatment of the various kinds of refuse entails a host of problems, such as, for example, the need for large landfill space due to the high volumes of garbage, the emission of methane, seepage water, or all the other assorted problems associated with ordinary landfills, unpleasant smells, birds, flying paper, and the dangers resulting from this. Faber-Ambra offers an environmentally friendly alternative to ordinary landfills. A patented mechanical and biological processing of the refuse solves the problems connected with ordinary tipping at reasonable costs. By using all options of the Ambra system, the required landfill space can be reduced to less than 25%. Or, put differently, the available landfill site can be used 4 times longer. The problem of seepage is also considerably reduced. The Faber-Ambra system can almost completely eliminate the emission of methane. The Faber-Ambra system can also lower the usual emission from landfills considerably. Before the refuse is processed, bulky problem items or items of value, such as car batteries, engine blocks, large wood or metal pieces are sorted out. Then the material is shredded and homogenized. Seepage water from the landfill can be added to the homogenizing process and thus also be processed and disposed of at no extra cost. After the mixing, it is impossible to make out individual refuse fractions any longer. The material has been optimally prepared for the subsequent processing stages. The special nature of the Faber-Ambra method prepares the homogenized amounts of refuse in specific formations for biological treatment. The biological treatment decomposes the organic elements during the rotting process and reduces the volume. The formations are vented in an environmentally friendly and cost-effective way by means of the stack draft system. This form of biological treatment has a distinctive advantage over other processes. In addition to the process shown here, other refuse ventilation systems can also be used, depending on local conditions. The efficiency of this process has been proven successfully at a number of landfills. This rotting process generates temperatures of approximately 70 degrees Celsius in the stacks. The surface is covered with a special surface biofilter. This is an essential element of the Faber-Ambra process, intended to avoid emissions and keep birds and vermin away.
E a busca de nova tecnologia, de novas ações, elas são permanentes. E é nesse contexto que a gente até
Here in São Sebastião, we were looking for new technologies when we found this system. It has certainly come through with flying colors.
Pelo sistema mecânico biológico que teve a sua maior prova de fogo, como a gente diz no Brasil aqui.
Over the period of 9 months, the Faber-Ambra system decomposes the entire biologically degradable portion of the refuse and reduces the original volume significantly. The residual substances culled from the garbage by the Faber-Ambra method can be selected with the help of a suitable sifting process in such a way that at the end fractions of high calorific value are left. This stored energy is supremely suited for being rechanneled into the energy cycle to be finally made available to consumers in the form of electricity. The remaining refuse, depending on the stage of the Faber-Ambra system, is inserted in thin layers into the landfill. What is remarkable is the enormous reduction in volume when compared to ordinary tipping of refuse. A direct comparison of both systems reveals that the Faber-Ambra method not only reduces emissions and odor problems, but has a positive impact on other areas as well. Consider only the problems vermin, birds and flying paper can cause in connection with landfill tips.
Mit unserem, das heißt dem Faber-Ambra-Verfahren, bieten wir unseren Kunden, den Kreisen, Kommunen und Ländern
Our Faber-Ambra process offers our customers, communities, districts and federal states a highly adaptable, expandable process for an absolutely environmentally suitable disposal of waste. We can implement the process at very short notice. We don't require a huge infrastructure. We can reduce the volume in a way that will multiply the landfill utilization time. Our process is ideal for regional authorities where waste disposal is to be structured and where controlled disposal has to be set up. The Faber Company is a family business that addresses your specific individual needs regarding innovative treatment of refuse. Faber offers you a partnership so that together we can work out a solution tailored to your problems. The Faber-Ambra method provides an innovative, adaptable, modular solution. Within a very short realization phase, we can offer you everything you need from one source. Every building block of the concept can be adapted to the individual needs of the community, the city, the county, or the operator of the landfill.